Alright, so we're just leaving DMR. Went up there and picked up some tires.
We picked up tires prior to and dropped them off at DMR to Jared.
Whatever.
And then we picked up tires from Jared.
Sorry for the bumpy Illinois roads.
Yeah, they're a lot better than last year when we come up here.
They are. But, yeah, so we're up there, and it's the first time I've got to see the high roller truck in person. That thing is ginormous. Pictures, videos, nothing does it justice. You have to be like 30 feet back just to get like a full picture of it in your phone. It's pretty insane. But I'm kind of kicking myself in the ass right now because when we left for the trip, I was like, oh, I don't need my camera. We're not going to do anything cool. I videoed it on my phone. It's very crappy. I'm going to post it anyways, but...
Every July, we seem to make this trip.
You can't say every July. It's only the second one.
Okay, well, I did it in November. This is my third trip to the ranch to get tires. And, yeah, Jared's just a cool dude. You know, he's going to sit there. We're going to talk about trucks. Going, we can go for a ride?
Yep. He whipped the key out of his pocket. He's like, oh, I got the key. Steps come down. You're like, oh, shit, I know we're going for a ride. The truck's awesome. It's, seeing videos of it, I thought it was going to be very, I thought you were going to feel a lot inside the cab.
You move around a lot.
You move around, but it's not bad. You honestly forget that you're riding in a 10-foot tall, that's like 10 foot to the friggin' middle of the doors, 14, 15 foot tall. It's gigantic. You forget you're riding in that. You feel like you're riding in a truck till you look out and you see these big ass tires. And you're like,
look down, not just look out, because I'm used to riding around. I've run, I can't tell you, hundreds of third-gen Dodges.
Yeah, so I did
probably thousands of 4th-gen Dodges. I've been in Dodge trucks for the past 7 years, and getting in that truck and riding around just felt like you were on a job site in a work truck.
It wasn't bad.
It didn't rock wildly. It literally felt like you were pulling off the road onto a job site. That truck rode super, and it's extremely nimble for as long as it is.
Yeah.
The rear steer,
6 doors.
There, whack that switch, and you're turning.
6 doors. It's long as hell. It's got all the room on the inside. It's wicked. I did my best to video on the phone. Kind of hard to get everything in there. I mean, in-cab shots are okay, but looking at the window and stuff, like, you can see the tire because the tires are so gigantic. That's all you're seeing. And then you see a little bit of mud, but it's really cool. I did my best to film it just to kind of give you guys a little something. I'm definitely kicking myself in the ass for not bringing the camera, but, you know. So you live and you learn. Just a little video for you guys, nothing too fancy. So take it easy, guys. Later. Say bye. Say bye to the people.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Alright. Videos and pictures do not do this thing justice. I mean, it's absolutely gigantic. Holy, what the hell is that? This thing's gigantic. It's awesome. Now, if you make a trip up to DMR, you gotta check out High Roller. This thing is definitely one of a kind. It is big. That's for sure. It's just freaking gigantic. Like, I don't even know how far I gotta step back to see this whole thing. Jeez. That's so cool. I'm gonna do an impromptu video on the phone. I told you I didn't kick myself for not bringing the camera. in here.
Some nasty shit back in here.
Just tons of room. This in the Cadillac.
Yeah.
You know, honestly, for as tall as it is, it doesn't feel that bad up in here. I was expecting a lot worse.
It's pretty. I got a 2-inch sway bar in the front, which helps.
It's really stable. I'm surprised. This thing's freaking ridiculous. I'm kicking myself in the ass for not bringing the camera right now. My wife was like, "Oh, you should bring the camera." I'm like, "No, it's fine. We're probably not gonna do anything fun." Of course. Should have known that the last time we were up here. We were in a ride in the Cadillac. I'm like,
yeah, didn't we have troubles trying to come out?
yeah, we had troubles coming out of that. That's probably the most scared I've ever been in a truck. Not gonna lie. I was pretty scared.
Stand straight up on it.
It was straight up and like one tire. Yeah, it was fun.
I don't know why I wasn't scared. Right with that motherfucker, he'll scare you.
I don't know how long the tranny will take that fucking beat like that though with that high gear in it or not. That's got to be building a lot of trannies in. I ain't got a gauge on it.
Got a big
doesn't pull too bad with the high gear in it.
No, it does pretty good. I know when I got it stuck, it was throwing haters up. I feel it flipped over the hood. But it's yeah, shit, you know, did you see that big black dog? He got buried right there. See that little
Those are the worst holes, the ones you least expect.
this right through here is a bad motherfucker. It used to be where we were side by side. Now it's just gotten worse. And it don't even look good. It just, and it can be dry out here for a long time, no rain. Pull in there, done. It is pretty fucking tall though.
It is.
Well, you know, riding and then you look out and you don't expect. I mean, I'm still used to riding in Dodges.
Yeah.
Can drive Dodges.
And you look out the window and you're
And I'm just
and
like,
put
oh,
it-
yeah.
like, oh wait.
Yeah, and that 35.5 looks like a 28L down there.
Yeah, it does. That's badass though. Oh, even power windows work. Jeez.
The back ones I ain't got them wired in yet.
Oh.
I'm
Yeah,
ready.
I'm as ready as I'm
I know
gonna
why
be.
Diesel was scared.
Yeah, it's well.
It's a little
Yeah,
awkward.
A little awkward. Well, that was fun. What'd you say?